Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CiCi app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do to next step, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on account settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to personalized content recommendations. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here personalized content recommendations enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.